So today we'll be making Zara Beret. Okay, Zara Beret, our normal Zara Beret. So but today something is shifting, so we will be making use of this sequence. Okay, we're making use of this sequence. Okay, I've already cut it. I'll give you the measurements, and also we'll be using lining for it because it's transparent. Okay, and we'll be using our bunny. I will list the measurement of the bunny, the normal size we use, but I will also list it on the video, so keep watching. Of course, you will need your needle, your scissors, which is our tools. We need your tape rule. I'm already hanging it. Then of course you need your matching thread. Okay, so today guys, I'll be using my manual machine to do this. Okay, so because of this sequence, I don't want my automatic machine to get issue, so I want to use manual because this keep breaking the the needle, so you keep fixing it. So I want to use this to do it. So I got my measurement. I'm going to list it of the bunny. I'm going to list it for you, and also for the material. For the sequence, I cut 30 by 30 inches. I cut 30 by 30 inches. Okay, 30 by 30 inches is what I cut. The same thing with the lining. Okay, I'm using lycra lining. Okay, I'm using lycra lining, so we are also using 30 by 30 inches. Okay, that's what I have. So we will kick off the sewing. I will first of all line up my material so that it will line up with it when I started fixing my bunny to it. So keep watching and learning, and I believe you understand, you will get it. So I'll first of all line the material, okay, with this lining and sew it round, then before doing the magic. Okay, so keep watching and learning. So I finally sewn and insert our bunny inside. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we are going to complete now together. So watch and learn. So I'm going to drag this side and drag this side. So the same, drag it, and you see what we are going to do to form our cap. Okay. So you hold both sides together. Then use your glue. Okay. Okay, let me use this one. You use your glue. You apply your glue and use this. You hold it. Okay. Okay, when that one is done, you pick the second one, the second line, you drag it, you bring it out. Okay, make sure you are picking the same one, so you also drag this, you bring it out. So you know this sequence, so we have to see, you have to find way of bringing it out. Just watch what I'm doing, you understand. So I'm just trying to bring it out. Okay, just be patient. Because this thing is sequence material. It's not easy, but we'll bring it out. It was not easy for me to even start it, but we have to do it. That's what our client wants. Our sequence Zara Beret is almost done. So I've successfully closed up the boning inside. Okay, okay, I successfully close it. You can see. Okay, okay, okay. So we are going to do the final finishing. Okay, so keep watching. I'll be adding handle. Okay, let me just get the it's 34. Let me do it like this. So I just want to get the hair circumference, okay? So I will know. Okay. So So this I'm going to be doing it all the way to the end. Okay, I'll run it like this, then we'll go like this. Oh my word, this one has open. So it's always good to use your needle and thread, which I'm going to do, try to be firm. So keep watching, you see the magic I'm performing. Now the idea that I'm using. Okay. So guys, this is what I'll do until I get to this place. Okay, start do it off camera, then I'll be right back. Okay guys, our Zara Beret sequence Zara Beret is ready. So I was able to pull. I pull each row, pull each row and tie it firmly. So what remains now, I'm putting handle so that my client can be able to hold it. I'll put handle here, and that is our beret. And I'm also thinking what to do here. Okay, I'm thinking of adding a rose or bow, other rose or bow here. So, but meanwhile, let our model show us how it's looking already. Okay. So our beret is ready. So I'll be putting a bow. I will just show you how I'm going to put the bow here. So here comes our tutorial. Guys, what do you say? Okay, I've added a bow or rose. I will use this or add a bow or rose, okay, to bring the beauty out. So here is our Zara Beret, sequence Zara Beret. So this shows that we can do with Ankara, we can do with lace, we can do with stretchy materials, and we can also do any material goes for this. So look at it. If you check my previous video tutorial, you will see where I use Ankara, okay, but this one is Zara sequence beret. Okay, so thank you guys for always showing up. Thank you for always watching. Thank you so much. So I will add a handle, then I will add something here, which I'm also going to give you a clip of how I started to do the back. But here comes to the end of our tutorial. We should show you how I fix the back and the rope, and our beret is ready. So thank you guys. See you again in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye.